At GearHaul, we make cool stuff that mounts the cool stuff for cool stuff. Any tool that you would ever use in the outdoors, we've found a way to carry it on any kind of mobile machinery, and I mean any kind. GearHaul has not only sold in our local region, but we've sold in all 50 states, and to date we've sold in approximately 33 different countries, all while this is being made in Chenooke, Kansas. GearHaul was invented by the need to be able to carry tools on mobile equipment. There was no solution for that whatsoever. Not only did we recognize that there was a need for this problem, but we actually created the industries that we serve now. There was never anything in the tractor accessory market that provided any way to carry anything, and once we came across what was a great valuable solution to all these problems, we have since went into the other industries and opened up the markets into those. It's been a real pleasure of mine to be able to see if we could take an idea and create an international company based just out of people who can make stuff here locally, and it's been a tremendous success. We at GearHaul knew we made it big when we started getting knocked off. With that being said, they can't compete with the quality of what we make. They can't compete with the quality that Kansas makes. If people buy something based out of the Midwest, they know it's quality. When you think made in Kansas, you think hard work, you think quality, you think durability, and you get what you pay for. You get what you pay for in Kansas.